Hi everyone, I'm Layla. I'm the founder of Splish Splash Handmade Product, and today I want to talk about essential oils and why I put essential oils in my product. First, I have a very sensitive skin, so there's a lot of things that I cannot use. So if I cannot use for myself, I don't believe it would be good for others. As well as essential oils are like natural, they're plant derived, and it's just great to work with. I like to put in bath salts and bath bombs just because they all have properties that are great for your skin, for your mental and well-being, and it's just something I prefer to use for certain type of products. Soap is a little different, some have, some don't, but for bath bombs and essential and bath salts, I prefer essential oils. I think there's like a leaf blower, so I'm not sure if anybody can hear me, but hopefully this comes out right. So I wanted to talk about those essential oils. So for me, one of my favorite ones obviously is lavender. It just smells wonderful, very relaxing. I use it every single day for myself. It's great to help you de-stress, relax in your bath if you put in your bath bombs or bath salts, and it's just like the nice aroma of lavender. Like you can't go wrong with that. It's just so relaxing. It's very soothing. It's really great for your skin as well if you have any scratches or some like having trouble to heal. I know I have very sensitive skin, so for me, if I cut myself, it's gonna last forever. Any kind of acne, or especially women with PMSing, you know, some kind of like acne a little bit, so that helps heal it a bit quicker for me. It helps to help the scars heal a bit faster somewhat, but really I mostly use it for relaxation. It really helps sleep well and relax. So my self-care hammam spa moment, for me, it's my bath salt with lavender, my candle, and my piano music. I cannot go without it. Maybe I can do 2-3 days, even when I travel for work, being an HR by background. I actually carry my lavender bottle with me just because I don't like taking baths in a hotel, just because I don't know, it's a hotel. So I use it to either bring a diffuser or just use it for, you know, when after the end of the day, I need to kind of relax. So I kind of rub it on myself. I don't recommend doing that because it's really strong. So if you're not used to it, it's not ideal. So it's very important to, when you mix essential oils, to put in a carrier oil like jojoba oil, almond oil. It's a great way to put a couple drops, and then you can actually rub it on your skin wherever you need it. So you have to use those carrier oils. It's really important. One of the other favorite oil that I really like as essential oil is the rosemary. It's great for inflammatory and also relaxation as well. And I like to put in my diffuser during the day, just because sometimes I just like to have the smell of it. I haven't created any product with, so maybe some suggestions can come on their way. I just use it for myself right now, but I haven't created anything for it. But I just love the smell. Rosemary is just amazing and great to relax even during the daytime. So perfect for the diffuser. I use also peppermint oil, which I put in some of the long eucalyptus mint bath bombs and bath salts as well. So eucalyptus and peppermint, so they have some kind of nice property, especially when you're tired, when you work physically, you're standing up on your feet all day. Those bath bombs with peppermint and eucalyptus is great if you drop it in your bath, or for your feet, for people standing up all day. It's just really great to help stimulate the blood circulation. It just really helps you reduce that pressure in certain areas of your body when you're just working really hard. So that's really great for that, and it's just really refreshing and rejuvenating kind of scent. And as well as a lot of people also use it for headaches. So it's a thing. I actually don't use it for headaches, but I know that the peppermint does help for some of headaches and some other related health issues that you can look up probably on Google. But I have something to show you, so maybe that can help you out. Because I've took aromatherapy classes a while back, but I always have books that I like to refer myself to make sure I'm managing my quantity, that I can create. And you can also create your own home remedies at home by using essential oils, carrier oils like almond oil, jojoba oil again. I also use rosewood essential oil, which is great for the rosewood bath bombs as well. It's very relaxing, very distressing too. It's great for your everyday. I mean, if you have a long day, or a good day, whichever. Self-care has, like, you know, there's no time for not to do it. every day is a good day for self-care. You have to have that little bit of time for you per day just to regenerate, relax, help you regenerate yourself, and just be able to carry on with your day the next day and the rest of the week. I mean, everybody's stressed, and I think it's important to have that moments in your day at the end of the day or whenever it's the right time. Everybody has different schedules, to be able to relax. Also, I do like grapefruit oil as well. It's great also for refreshing air. I haven't made products with that as well, but it's great for a diffuser. You can actually use it in any kind of products as well. Also carrier oil, but something that you want to look into it, because essential oils are very strong. It's very pure, the good quality ones, and you can't just put them directly on your skin because they will irritate your skin. So it's important to use those carrier oils. So very important to look that up and then make sure that you're following the guidelines, because like I said, it's pretty strong. And so these are my oils, but I have other ones that I use for myself, some that I use for the products. And I also want to share with you one of the books that I really enjoy, and I'm not affiliated with anybody right now, so it's just me sharing the information that I have based on what I look up for and what I read. So I do have the book of essential oils, which is really great. They have fantastic recipes that you can do at home with your own essential oil, carrier oil. You can create some remedies like homemade, olden day style with your plants and your oils and things like that. I grew up that way. My mom still asks me when I'm not feeling well, she's like, have you used this plant and this plant, like all these teas and everything. So for me, it's a very given thing as well as anything else. So this is a great book. So many recipes available to you, and I'll put the link on the channel after, so you can have access to it just for your information and reference. I think it's important that you read about essential oils and what is the right way to use it. And I really don't recommend using oil cooking. I know some people do, but you gotta know what you're doing, and essential oils are quite strong. So cooking with essential oil or anything, putting them in the water and things like that, I don't do it, just because I don't feel I have that knowledge to really know well how the reaction and the strength of certain oils, because some are really, really strong, some are lesser. And it's just I just like to keep things external. For the skin, no problem. For food and whatnot, I wouldn't recommend it because that's not my area of expertise, but I know some people do. So if you do, you want to consult with people. You can't just go and do that on your own. There's also another book that I also use quite a bit, is the Encyclopedia for Herbal Medicines and Plants as well. So there's a lot of plant information, lots of how to use it for your plants, and also information about essential oils. So it gives you that great information, reliable resources that you can refer to. I refer to these two books, I cannot go without it. I've been having them for quite some time, and when there's a new edition, I always buy the new edition just because I want to know what's the right way, a new way of doing things. Because things change and things move along, and yeah, you want to keep up to date with what's happening. So I do encourage you to explore essential oils, a way for you to be able to maybe add that extra de-stress, relaxation in your day, especially in a diffuser, because with that, even if, let's say, you're in a meeting, nobody see, if you're working from home, nobody can see it. You just put a couple drops in there, put water, and you just let it run for the time that you need. It's just such a wonderful to add to your day, to your routine. So that's also a way that you can use your essential oil. Very easy to use, very simple. I do encourage looking at good quality brand of oils, because some are not as great. There might be cut with some other maybe chemicals or maybe alcohol. I'm not too sure, but there's level of quality of oils, and the better quality, the better it is for you, of course. So, but it depends of every individual. For me, it's important to have a high quality, because it does have some properties, and those natural properties that you want your body to be able to process and absorb and help you get through your day and give you that moment to relax and really enjoy it. It smells good, it's natural, but yet again, natural doesn't mean you can just pour the whole bottle. You can't do that. If you take a bath, essential oil, it has to be mixed either in salt or in a bath bomb or some kind of other carrier product that you can put. You can never put directly oil in a bath because, well, first it's gonna float and it's just too strong. So you gotta make sure that you don't do that. It's very important. So that's why it's important to follow the labels and follow the instructions of how to use them. They're great for you. I strongly encourage you to use those, as well as like it's great to share with others, you know, some of your tips and tricks to relax. And that's one of mine. And it is in most of my products. So you'll be able to find those in the products that I make, which I'm very passionate about doing and creating things with my hand. It's so much fun. It's creative, but I also enjoy my HR background. So I like supporting leaders, supporting managers, supporting employees. And for me, it's always on top of mind is the wellness and the well-being of the people in your organization, whichever you're working, or people have time to, you know, are they taking their time off? Are they able to relax? Are they able to, you know, feel good if they're not feeling great? You know, it's important to promote that mental wellness, have access to support in your organization. So something you can look into your organization. You feel you're stressed, you're overwhelmed. These are discussions you can have with your managers. Also, most of them have an EAP program, which stands for Employee Assistance Program, which provide you with support, counseling, and other resources that is available to you for free that is paid in your benefits, something you want to look into. And also for future small businesses or current entrepreneurs, when you grow your business, these are great benefits to have for your organization or small business. People really enjoy those. They're very helpful. And well-being is really important. We all need to feel great about ourselves. We have to feel good about ourselves. And when things are not going well, then people cannot carry on. It's difficult and it's stressful. And I want people to be happy. I want well-being. I want wellness, and I want to promote that wellness everywhere. So please take care of yourself. Take that time for yourself. It's really important. Your family will thank you. Your employer will thank you. Your friends around you, your partner will thank you. You know, a happy self, a relaxed self is a better self, and that's also for yourself. So strongly encourage to follow a wellness routine, whichever it is. Pick something that you feel you can spend a 30-minute or an hour a day that is just for yourself and to help you disconnect and recharge, because you know that's self-care. It's really important. So I really encourage everybody to get onto that self-care path, and I hope that, you know, a quick intro about essential oil will help create that environment for yourself, as well as like if you have any questions about small businesses or business. I major in entrepreneurship. I have a Bachelor of Commerce in that, and also I'm an HR by background, so I do have all the HR knowledge in the background. If you have any questions about attraction, retention, training and development, strategic business partnership, any labor relation challenges, how to attract and retain your employee. There's just so many components to an HR part of thing. And sometimes as a small business owner, you are a small business and you know how to do all these things, but sometimes the HR questions can be a bit tricky if you haven't studied in HR or worked in HR. So I'm more than happy to help and provide some guidance if anybody needs it. I'm very passionate about it because I think HR and business goes hand in hand. It's important to have that partnership for your organization, but also for the future. You want to be able to have people that are going to be able to do the work, and they're going to be able to be happy where they are. So you want to provide that healthy work culture environment as well. So I enjoy both, and I'm more than happy to answer any questions. If you have anything, please, I would appreciate if you click and subscribe to my channel. I'm really new to this, and I don't know how it's going to go, but I'm really excited to hop on this journey, and I really enjoy connecting with other people wherever they are. It's just so nice to network and connect with other people, listen to other people's stories, backgrounds. It's just so much fun. So I feel like this is a great space, and I'm actually excited to be part of this community, and hopefully everything will continue carry on. So have a great day, everybody, and self-care, and check out my online stores and anything. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thank you.